Compatible vehicles. This smart car keyless entry fits Ford 1999 to 2014 Mustang, 1998 to 2014 Expedition and Explorer, 2001 to 2014 Escape, 2000 to 2012 Focus, 1998 to 2014 Taurus, 98-2003 Escort, 00-2005 Excursion, 05-2007 09-2016 Flex, 06-2012 Fusion, 98-2001 Sable, 02-2005 Thunderbird. Fitment. Our key fob is compatible for 2003 to 2005 Lincoln Aviator, 2007 to 2016 MKZ, 2001 to 2012 Navigator, 1998 to 2009 Town Car, 1999 to 2002 Mercury Cougar, 2006 to 2011 Grand Marquis, 2005 to 2011 Mariner, 2005 to 2007 Montego, 1998 to 2010 Mountaineer, 1998 to 2005 Sable, 1999 Tracer. Part number. This car remote works as a replacement for part numbers 2L2T15K601-BA, 2L3T15K601-AA, 8S4Z15K601-AA, 2S4T15K601-AB, 8S4T15K601-AA, F8DB-15K601-BA, F87B-15K601-BA, 2S4T15K601-AA, 2L2Z15K601-BA, 1L2T15K601-AA, 5,925,872 and FCC ID, CWTWB1U331, CWTWB1U345, CWTWB1U322, GQ43 Vermont11T. Easy DIY programming. You can program the Ford key replacement at home by following the instructions or the video demonstration installation on YouTube. DIY programming is not available for some vehicles. Please find a local locksmith or dealer to help you. Pre-tested. Each key remote replacement comes with a complete electronic assembly with a battery, and has been pre-tested to ensure quality and functionality. Top reviews from the United States. Fob works great, had to find right instructions. These work great and seem like good quality so far. Whatever instructions they come with, just skip them and go to YouTube to see the steps for your vehicle.